Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here, and I just wanted to hop on here and give someone out there a little bit of encouragement today. And whenever I share things like this with you, it's because it's exactly what I am going through. So I'm ministering to myself as I minister to you. So what I see going on a lot in our culture today is people talking about finding your passion, finding your purpose, like there's just one thing. And I want to encourage you today that your passion and your purpose can change, and it can change from day to day. Don't feel like you have to know that one magical thing that you need to do in order to be successful in life or to be happy or to be fulfilled or whatever. Sorry, it's really windy. I'm hoping my stand will cooperate. Let me secure it just a little bit. For example, in my life, I've been a registered nurse for 25 years, and for 15 of those years, I helped moms with breastfeeding and became an international board certified lactation consultant. Yep, that's a mouthful. And taught prenatal classes and absolutely adored it until I didn't anymore. And could I work in that field right now? Could I just walk into a position at a hospital and help moms with breastfeeding and be very competent and be very good at it? Absolutely yes. If somebody asks me a breastfeeding question right now, I could answer you with very high skill level. Okay, just because I'm good at that doesn't mean that that's my passion and my purpose anymore, and that's okay. Same thing with, like, guys, if you were let's say for example you are a new mom and you are completely immersed in caring for your baby, even if it's not a new baby. If I think if the kid's like under 4 years old, you're pretty much, that's what you do. Okay, that's your passion and that's your purpose for that season, and that's okay. And if you're wondering, like, how can I help people from where you are. If you're like I said, if you're a new mom, give some tips on how to get your kid to take a nap or how to eat healthy foods wherever it is, and stay in your lane, and embrace the time that you're in right now. Okay, so if you're trying to figure out what your purpose is in life, I'm going to simplify it for you. What brings you joy every day? What is it that you do every day where the time just goes by super fast and you have fun and it feels easy and it's not, there's no toil in it? That's your passion and that's your purpose for right now. And then ask yourself and ask the Lord, how can I help people in that? If it's cooking, then start sharing recipes with people, or do some cooking videos. If it's gardening, give gardening tips. Lots of people want to learn how to garden. If it's parenting, do that. If it's makeup, whatever it is that brings you joy and lights your fire in your heart, that can be your purpose for today. It doesn't have to be your purpose forever. You can start over tomorrow with a new plan and a new purpose. So I just want to encourage you today and just love on you just a little bit. And don't let anyone feel like you have to pick a lane and stay with it for the rest of your life. I've switched gears so many times. They should name a car after me. Does that even make sense? So anyway, I love you guys. Hope this encouraged you today. I'm not seeing any comments, so I don't know if this is even working, but just a quick little encouragement video for you today. Love you. Bye.